A new for you tonight, a series of stolen cars on Long Island. Residents waking up this morning to discover their rides had vanished. News 12's Darius Radzius is on this story.
Several car owners woke up Monday morning only to discover a nightmare.
My daughter went out to go let the dog out, and she's like, "Where's my car?"
I'm sitting here looking and I said, "Where's my car?"
My wife had said to me, your car's gone. I'm like, what?
3 cars were all taken right out of the driveways of these car owners. A 2020 BMW from Hastings Drive, a 2009 Audi from Breezy Hill Drive, and this 2019 Acura here on Linwood Lane. This theft caught on Tim Daly's Ring surveillance video.
Just 4 minutes before I brought the garbage out, that somebody had grabbed the car, backed it out of the driveway, and took off and followed 2 other cars north on Woodfield.
Suffolk police say that all of these thefts have one thing in common. There was a key fob inside the cars that were keyless start.
My daughter doesn't remember leaving the keys in the car, but she's taking in a 13-month-old and a 1-month-old at 9 o'clock at night, and we can't find the keys, so she probably unfortunately left them in the car.
Holly Brostick and the other 2 owners believe all of this was very well organized. Craig Fouth reported his car stolen to Suffolk police just after 7, and 4 hours later, at around 11, cops tracked it down.
It was brought all the way to New Jersey. It was close to the shipping docks. So it was going to go in a container.
The other 2 cars have not yet been found.
We have a rental. They're going to wait about 2 weeks to see if they recover it, and then if not, we're out car shopping. And not a great time to be car shopping.
Now, police urge car owners not to leave any valuables inside their cars, including key fobs. At the 4th Precinct in Smithtown, Darius Radzius, News 12, Long Island.